Roll camera action. Take one.
What if we add a chase scene here?
Great idea, and the carrot is the prize. Perfect! Let's write it.
Take two.
Okay, let's review this script.
The dialogue here is great.
Good, let's add a note.
This scene needs more action.
How about a chase?
Perfect, I'll write that.
And a carrot break.
Deal. Okay, let's review the script.
Right, I'm ready. But first, a little snack.
Of course, let's continue.